Welcome to this session on the US UK Estate Tax Treaty. The purpose of this talk is not to provide an anatomy of the treaty, but to explain the architecture of some of the key provisions and provide some examples of how it applies in practice. The treaty is frequently encountered in practice, and that's because of the broad reach of US estate tax and of UK inheritance tax, which I'll refer to as IHT in this webinar, and the considerable number of individuals who have ties both to the US and the UK. And importantly, from a UK perspective, the treaty can provide some very powerful estate planning value in terms of the reliefs available for inheritance tax, including charges relating to property held in settlement. Now, which taxes does the treaty cover? Well, it covers UK inheritance tax, of course, but it also covers a number of taxes in the US, including US estate tax, gift tax, and generation skipping tax. And the purpose of the treaty, perhaps obvious, is to alleviate double taxation on gifts and estates of US citizens and domiciliaries of the US and UK domiciliaries and long-term residents of the UK for UK inheritance tax purposes, which I'll refer to in this webinar as LTRs. When they're not LTRs, I'll refer to them as non-LTRs. And it does that alleviation of double tax by permitting each asset held by an estate or each gift to be